Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your eligibility for Onecard without a fixed deposit. You need valid Aadhaar and PAN for eKYC and identity verification. Ensure your mobile number is active for OTP and voice verification. Confirm your income source, either salaried or documented self-employed income. Prepare to submit recent bank statements or salary slips during the application. Keep a clear photo of your PAN and Aadhaar ready to upload. This upfront readiness speeds approval and shortens processing. To open the Onecard application portal or mobile app to begin your application, enter your full name, PAN, Aadhaar number, and current address carefully. Upload 1 month of bank statements or your latest salary slips as income proof. Use a clear photograph of PAN and Aadhaar for seamless verification. Complete Aadhaar e-sign or receive OTP on your registered mobile number to authorize the application. Double-check all fields before submitting to avoid delays during the verification stage. After submission, monitor your application status through the app or email. Expect a status update within 3 to 5 business days after applying. If additional documents are requested, respond quickly to avoid delays. Upon approval, receive the Onecard by courier and follow activation steps in the app. Activate the card using the app or phone OTP and set your PIN securely. If you do not receive any update after 5 business days, contact customer support for clarification and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.